Wix Affiliate Program Review. In today's video, we're reviewing the Wix Affiliate Program, a high-paying opportunity for marketers looking to earn commissions by promoting one of the most popular website builders available. Links to the program and product are in the description, so check them out if you're interested. Wix is known for its drag-and-drop website builder, customizable templates, built-in SEO tools, and powerful e-commerce features, making it a top choice for entrepreneurs, small businesses, and creatives who want an easy way to build a professional-looking website without coding. The Wix Affiliate Program offers an attractive flat commission rate of $100 per premium sale, which is higher than many competing website builder affiliate programs. This means that every time someone signs up for a premium Wix plan through your referral link, you earn a one-time $100 commission with no cap on earnings. However, note that only first-time Wix customers count towards commissions, so promoting to new users is key. The program is managed in-house by Wix, providing real-time tracking, a dedicated affiliate dashboard, and marketing materials to help you optimize your conversions. The cookie duration is 30 days, meaning referrals must upgrade within that time frame for you to earn a commission. One of the strongest selling points of Wix is its versatility and ease of use. Unlike WordPress, which requires hosting and technical setup, Wix offers a fully hosted, all-in-one platform where users can design a site in minutes. With over 900 templates, Wix ADI, artificial design intelligence, an intuitive drag-and-drop editor, built-in SEO, and an app marketplace, it's an excellent choice for bloggers, businesses, and e-commerce store owners alike. The Wix Stores feature is especially appealing for those looking to create an online store, as it offers integrated payment processing, inventory management, and marketing tools. This affiliate program is ideal for content creators, bloggers, digital marketers, and YouTubers, targeting an audience that needs a beginner-friendly website solution. If your audience consists of freelancers, startups, small business owners, or creatives, promoting Wix can be highly profitable. Overall, the Wix Affiliate Program stands out with its high commission rate, strong brand reputation, and user-friendly website builder. If you're ready to start earning, check the links in the description and sign up today.